Guys, at the moment, we are doing a competition on Magic Breakfast. It's the Magic's Mystery Sound. Now, if you guys get this right, I can give you 10,000 large right now.
Whoa.
10,000 large right now. So I'm going to play the sound.
Yeah.
Let me know what you think this is.
Oh, that was somebody putting a needle on a record.
Oh, that's giving birth to a baby dolphin.
Okay.
No,
Gentlemen, I'm
it sounds
sorry.
like someone dropping a microphone.
Dropping a microphone. No, it's only one guess each. I'm sorry, gentlemen. That's.
I thought the needle on the record was pretty good.
I like that
The
answer too.
dolphin was spot on. I thought you figured it out.
No, you're wrong, gentlemen.
So it just rolls into
It
the
keeps
next.
going.
Wow, how long
you
has
don't
this
even
sound
tell?
cube been going?
We've got it going now for 4 weeks, I think. 4 weeks it's been going. Nobody's won it, and it's.
Yeah, they don't plan
that.
on giving away 10 G's. You don't see the 10
true.
G's, do you?
We will give it away if
They
somebody
haven't-
gets it right.
They haven't
The
really
big F,
said
yeah.
what-
It's a big
Big
hit if
F.
they get it right.
I don't know what 10 G's are. 10 G's could be 10 gummy bears. We don't know what
That
10 G's are.
comes out of all you
Yeah.
guys' salary.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of layoffs
think,
on Magic if anyone guesses it.
Yeah,
right? 'Cause that's-
absolutely. Well,
that's the
unfortunately,
budget for half the
Will
year,
Ferrell
10
and
Gs.
Mark Wahlberg were wrong this time round, and the wrong answers go up on the magic.co.uk website with all the other wrong guesses. Gentlemen, it was a pleasure to have you in the zoo this morning.
Thanks for
Daddy's
having
Home
us.
2 is out now. Brilliant film. #1 comedy in America this week. Congratulations. And
And tell Hilgard have a fun in Oxford.
yeah, Harriet even. Yeah. Oh, that's her husband. Yeah. I'll tell her.
Hope she had a good girls' weekend.
Yeah.
Why did she go to Newcastle?
Yeah.
I think the
Don't even
train
have to
only
bring
went
a
as
lot of
far as
clothes.
Oxford. Yeah.
Just
Yeah, she
rock
can
out.
only go so
They
far.
just bought a ticket, random ticket.
That's
said,
it.
Let's just go to
She's
Newcastle.
gone.
Yeah.
She's gone.